Hi, my name is Wilfredo Rodríguez and I'm gonna talk about for the last updates of the Android operating systems. There have been released by Google. Several improvements and new features has been introduced in the latest versions. Currently, Android 12 is the most recent version of the operating system and was released in the October in 2021. The previous version, Android 11, was released in September 2020. Several privacy enhancements, accessibility features, and improved the user experience, such as animations and UI designs, have been added. Security and system performance have also been improved. In addition, there are several versions of the operating system that have been released for the Space device. For example, Android 11 Go Edition was released in February 2021 for devices of the low RAM. Beta versions are allowed available for developers and advanced users who want to try new features before the official release. On the major features introduced in Android 12 is the Material You Design language, which allows users to customize and the look and feels their device user interface. This includes ability to change color, shapes, and fonts of various elements such as buttons, icons, and notifications. Another key addition in Android 12 is the enhanced privacy settings, which give users more control over the data and how it is used by apps. They include a new indicator of a status bar that is shown when apps are using the microphone or camera, and the new privacy dashboard that it provides a summary of the apps and permissions and data access. In terms of performance, Android 12 includes several optimizations of the CPU usage and improved battery life. The operating system also introduces new features that make the user connect to other devices, such as recent Wi-Fi, setting page a new device control panel. Other notable updates in the recent version of Android Cloud provide support for foldable device, new camera features such as low motion, video recorder, and audio zoom. And the better support came in for features like game mode and the ability to pay Xbox and PlayStation controller. Overall, Google continues to improve and evolve the Android operating system, which each release, and in new features and enhancements to make user experience more enjoyable and secure.
How is your operating system? It has been reported that Android is an open source operating system, which means that anyone who wants to modify or improve it can access source code. As a result, a vibrant community of developers has emerged who will create their own version of Android. Now let's fork and contribute to the development of the core Android platform.
Android has been announced to be compatibility with a wide variety of mobile devices, including smartphone, tablets, and smartwatch. This compatibility has made Android a popular choice among manufacturers and consumers as it provides a consistent user experience across different devices.
Android has the largest market share of any mobile operating system of worldwide, with a 72% market share according to a 2021 Stat County report. It was reported. This dominance can be attributed to the wide range and as well as its availability on device at different price points.
It has been reported that Android offers a wide variety of applications and stored through Google Play. Its official application store users have access to millions of apps, including popular social, networking, gaming, and productivity apps, as well as the Google Suite of apps like Google Maps, Gmail, and YouTube.
It has been announced that Android received regular updates to improve the security and functionality of the operating systems. These updates provide new features and improvements, as well as address and security vulnerability that has been discovered.
Our research year, different Android devices have been made available in the market, including Samsung Galaxy smartphone and tablet, Google Pixel smartphone, OnePlus device, Xiaomi smartphone, Motorola smartphone, Sony Xperia smartphone, Android phone, LG smartphone, Huawei smartphone, Oppo smartphone, Asus device, unique feature and compatible are only device and the wide range of options are available to suit different preferences and rules.
Android is being reported to support multi-breakout codes or equip multi-breakout codes to mobile devices. Its variant is especially effort for families or companies that provide ready to their employees.
Accessibility improvement has been might be Android is accessible factory through IV people is easily use Android phone and tablet select to speed switch access zoom factory high contrast invert color mode mono audio playback caption for media and application a touch exploring and including in the factory while Android accessibility factory has been passing some users share and is still for improvement and action for speed factories.
Android compatibility with different platforms. Reports indicate that Android supports various hardware platforms, allowing developers to create apps for devices with different features and specifications. This compatibility has given rise to a diverse ecosystem of hardware and software, contributing to the popularity and success of Android as mobile operating system.